Well, here we are again, finally. Can you believe it's April? April! Where's that gone? Like a quarter of the year gone already. Anyway, finding time to finish all these prints is mental. However, I have been preparing other things behind the scenes, so to speak, ready for the summer onslaught. I'm going to say, well, it's not sunshine outside. We don't want to be in here, do we? We'll be out there. All right. Have a look at this. I'm guessing, for those who know, will know what this is. We've been down this road once before. He's got his back to us, but I think you'll work out what it is. So we're going to work out something different with him this time. So, we know more faffing, or as little faffing as is possible. Shall we get on with it? Well, as you can see, it's been a very busy printing week. Lots of parts and bits and bobs put together. All the for all the robot parts. Let's go back a few years. And still lots to go. So all the various parts here. Still all the little bits and bobs like the elbow joints and knee joints and so forth. So these all need seeing to. And once I've got that worked out, whether to print them as a single, like the hip joints here, or not, I do not know. But there's been a lot of printing since the last video, as you can see. So still some more to go, and we'll start getting some assembly. Right, just show you these claws, because the last setup you saw from the last video was a print fail, so I had to redo them. So I've laid these down and done them one at a time, one on each of the other Huey printers. But they weren't in the last video, so there they are now. And all together, so to speak. Now, I've got some bits and bobs ready to go, but obviously everybody's been going on their holidays in summer. And I'll just do what I can, you know me. First of all, for all the new subscribers, you're very welcome. Thank you so much. I hope you've enjoyed the content which is already on the channel. Hopefully there's more to come that you will enjoy. Also, very, very welcome back to all my regular subscribers. Thank you so much. You know, mate, I wouldn't do this without you. I have, of course, been busy on other things, as I always am. Some of these things are almost finished, but not quite there. New Barbarella lady there. Awesome stuff. All takes time. My girls are on the go, so printing stuff. Stuff for the future, of course. Well, summerish, still the future, right? So anyway, as always, patience. You are absolute saints for that. Thank you so much. I love you guys. So until next time, soon we hope. Take care.